Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. A big huge thank you to every single person who has clicked that big red button on my channel. If you have subscribed, this video is for you. We are doing a giveaway. There are going to be 3 winners for this giveaway, and we are going to pick those winners on June 1st. The 2 second prize winners will receive this 6-piece jelly set from Gaoy. Guys, please tell me how to pronounce that in the comment section. And our grand prize winner will get the same brand of gel polish kit, but a larger 42-piece set. I cannot open these, they are sealed. Sorry for the whispery or whistly S's. But this one is not, so I can just show you real quickly what the bottles look like. And there's 2 layers of these, so that is going to be a fun thing to unbox if you are the winner of this kit. Now, I have never actually tried this brand before. I've just heard it raved about in every nail group that I've ever been in, so I thought we would give it a try together. And this is the piece I got myself. I am going to test these out in another video, so if you're not subscribed already and you want to enter the contest and you want to watch my other videos testing out products, please click that button. I will be testing these out on the Friday video for the Gemini set. Sorry. We have a zodiac series going on here at the channel of mouths for all of the zodiacs. It was a crazy kooky idea I had, and I'm having fun with it. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Now let's get to the rules. Here are the rules. Very simple. The contest is going to run from now until the 1st of June, when I will use a random number generator to pick the winner. Okay, to enter the video, you must be a public subscriber of the channel. If you're not publicly subscribed and your subscriptions are private, I totally get it. I understand. But at the same time, I would not be able to verify that you are indeed subscribed to the channel. So there would be no way for me to notify you that you actually are a winner. So you must be publicly subscribed. And you must leave a comment on this video. Tell me whatever you want to tell me. I want to hear about it. So just leave me a comment on this video. Publicly subscribed, you are entered. Once everybody enters the contest on June 1st, I will pick a winner using a random number generator, and I will upload that on a separate video. Once that goes live, the winner of this contest, the 3 winners, they will have 5 days from that point to contact me at the email address you see on screen now. If you don't, then I will pick a new winner and notify them in another video, or we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I do want to mention this video is in no way sponsored by this company or YouTube. This is me giving thanks back to you, my subscribers. So if you want to enter, leave a comment on this video. Make sure you're publicly subscribed, and I cannot wait to pick one of you or 3 of you to receive these prizes. Okay guys, I want to thank you again for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for entering this contest, and we will see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye-bye.